Hello and welcome to the Broadwick Hotel in Soho in London. I'm going to give you a quick tour of my junior suite, room 402. So, about the hotel, it was opened in late 2023 in Soho in London, as mentioned, which is the nightlife district of the city with lots of restaurants and bars, though it is admittedly a bit tamer than it used to be in decades gone by. The hotel was designed by this very idiosyncratic and maximalist designer called Martin Brudnizki. I think I'm saying his name right, but he's typically very, very colorful, loves a lot of detail. Spaces are really busy, but I think it works. So there are approximately 250 individual artworks in the hotel, including works by Lucian Freud, Andy Warhol. I quite like this piece over my bed. So every room has its own distinctive elements and should have a lot of individual character. Just coming over here, this is the mini bar, maxi bar with complimentary tea and coffee making facilities. You have the soft drinks you'd expect and some more niche brands. Here is your view. So it's kind of nondescript in that it's a residential and retail street with lots of built up architecture, but it's very distinctly London, I think, and I quite like it. Here's your little workspace. I believe you have on-demand movies on the TV that are complimentary. This cute little elephant was apparently handmade by artisans in India from recycled brass, and it's kind of like a fancy drinks trolley. So they've got some wine in there, glassware for mixing cocktails, posh popcorn, that type of thing. So stepping behind the bed, you have two wardrobes and workspace on either side. I should mention as well, the soundproofing for outside is really good. So wasn't really disturbed by that. There was some ambient noise within the room that I couldn't quite decipher, but this did just open a week ago, so maybe there's some little quirks they still need to sort. I think you can maybe hear it a little bit here. Okay, so here is the bathroom. I'm lucky in that my accommodation has a bathtub. That's not always the case. Toiletries are by an Italian brand called Ortigia. They're very nice. I've never seen them in any hotel before, even though I didn't recognize the brand. Here is your lovely walk-in shower, dual shower heads. Amazing shower pressure. I'm trying to think what else there is to tell you. The whole hotel is very, very vibrant and colorful. There's a fantastic basement restaurant called Jackie, which serves Italian food, and it was extremely good last night, very lively as well. Also saw some celebs, and they've got a great rooftop bar called Flute with lovely views and a great atmosphere too, fantastic design. Regarding the hotel rooms themselves, I also book accommodation at the hotels I profile, with benefits including complimentary upgrades, credits for free dining, late checkout, early check-in, that type of thing. So if you'd like information of that, you can just look at the information in the description. And there you have it. This is a junior suite at the Broadwick Hotel in Soho in London, shown in late 2023, just after it opened.